Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to another video with A.M.K Media. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of dropshipping and show you how to easily make money online by starting your own dropshipping business. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your dropshipping game, this video is for you. So, let's jump right in. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an online business model where you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle the storage, packing, and shipping of the products directly to the customers. Your job? Marketing and sales. Step 1. Choose a niche. Your success in dropshipping starts with selecting the right niche. Here's how to do it. Market research. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media trends to identify profitable niches. Passion and knowledge. Select a niche you're passionate about or have knowledge of. It'll make your job more enjoyable. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Choosing the right suppliers can make or break your dropshipping business. Look for suppliers that offer quality products. Ensure they offer high-quality products to maintain customer satisfaction. Fast shipping. Shorten delivery times to enhance the customer experience. Competitive pricing. Competitive prices help you maintain healthy profit margins. Step 3. Create your online store. You have several options for this, but we recommend using a platform like Shopify for its ease of use. Here's how to set it up. Choose a domain name, customize your store, add products from suppliers, optimize for SEO. Step 4. Market your dropshipping business. This is where the real magic happens. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to reach your audience. Content marketing. Create valuable content through blogs, videos, and infographics. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Step 5. Provide excellent customer service and manage order fulfillment. This will set you apart from the competition. Respond promptly, answer customer inquiries, and address issues quickly. Monitor inventory. Keep an eye on stock levels to prevent selling out of stock items. Continuously optimize, analyze your operations, and make improvements over time. Step 6. Scale your business for even more profits. Add new products. Expand your product catalog to attract more customers. Automate processes. Use tools and apps to automate repetitive tasks. Consider paid advertising. Invest in paid advertising to reach a broader audience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money online with dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to A.M.K Media for more valuable content. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.